So how do you multiply Essen, for example? Take a look at Essen. Essen is so beautiful. Essen, aß, gegessen are the forms. Now I have the word messen, which contains Essen. It means to measure. No connection from the meaning. But the forms are identical. Maß, gemessen. Vergessen, to forget. Nothing to do with the other two. Vergaß, vergessen. So those 4,000 verbs people talk about are actually those with a prefix. But once the stem verb is clear, you can create all the forms no matter how many prefixes you put in front of that verb or what kind of prefix you put there. I give you other examples for essen. Aufessen, to eat, up, to empty your plate. Aufgegessen, aß auf, aufgegessen. Wegessen, to steal food from someone and eat it, is aß weg, weggegessen. Anessen, to start to bite something off something and then put it away. Aß an, angegessen. And so on. So no matter what prefix you put there, the forms are identical. You just, of course, need to add the prefix to the past forms. And like this, you have Essen, but you've learned actually like 10 forms. So learning 90 here times 10 more or less, it's 900 already. But I simply assume that you can create almost any irregular verb now with the help of this technique. Give it a try and let us know where we err. If you find a beautiful exception, we're always thankful for improving our material. Enjoy the simplicity of German grammar and the efficiency of mnemonics. Viel Erfolg!